Hello, this is John Miranda, CEO and founder of Purple. Purple is the solution for the audiovisual rental world. I've been in this business for quite some time. I've seen a lot of things, and I want to provide some solutions for everybody who's in the industry, specifically on the rental side of things. When you're looking for something to rent, or where you have gear that's staying there in your warehouse and you want to put it out so people know that you exist. Right now, we have this web page. It wants to become an app too, especially for the end user. This is the home. As you can see, the web page is www. Um, purpleavrentals.com. Okay, that will be the web page that you get in. Once you're in, there's a home, like I said, you can take a pick, listing all the products by categories, become a partner directory, so you can see if your bodies are there, a friend of yours, a company you work in the past, event form, there's something new that I create, so you can, when somebody give you a call, you can just jump in and put the data in. Very, pretty easy. That's a pretty cool feature there, where you can just like the name, the dates, where is it gonna happen, boom, 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 and you just keep moving. Okay. Now we have about us and contact us, and you have a login. I guess I have two things in my cart from previous try. And what's in it? What's in it? What's in it is that if you are to become a partner, which is a pretty basic procedure, right? You apply here. Those are the reasons why you should become a partner. This will come to the people that manage the page, e-commerce, and uh, and then they will contact me, and I have to make sure they are real, which usually they are. I travel around the country. I am the head audio of the Miami Beach Convention Center, and I have a lot of companies coming in. So I usually get in contact with companies, and companies that the past, 22 years and 30 years in combined total internationally. I know people. I know some people that provide. Who is it this for? Well, kind of middle-sized companies. Okay, not for the big guys, not for the big players. For middle-sized company, we can help them a lot. And if you are a service provider, you will be in the partner directory. Okay, remember there's two sides of this: the one that needs the service and the one that provides the service. At this point in June of 2024, we have only like 12. This is some beta testing. I'm testing things. I'm working with different partnerships. I'm helping them. They're helping me. This guy, everything shows there. Let's say you can go through the different items that they have. We have right now like 55 items, not much. My goal is to get to 1,000 in a couple months, and at least like 20 companies, which I already have 12, so that's pretty close. And I have three that I just haven't been able to sit down and do the items and all that. There's two that the team is working on. Yamaha CL5, go in there, tells me what it is. I say, well, you know what, I need this. Maybe it's not available this weekend or something. Okay. Maybe I need it on the 28th. Okay. Through the 28th. Okay. And this will send an email to to the guys. But I can actually uh, because I have this already booked, it's not showing there. That's what's happening. See, I have it for this day and this day, so automatically it's telling me it might not be available. So I end up here having this for one day. Let me take a look of my cart. Like any application like Amazon or anything like that, our industry, the audiovisual industry, hasn't get to that point yet. Another way to take a look of this is kind of like the Uber of the audiovisual. Okay, where there are service providers that put their products, equipment, and services and there's the final user, okay? And this final user, it's this production manager, it's this technical director, it's this audio guy who went to another city and something broke, is this a guy from New York who is, in Miami and their client needs more pipe and drape, okay? Pipe and drape. They need, I don't know, another 200 feet of pipe and drape. Where do I go? Who do I know? Go to Purple. That's the goal. People to say, go to Purple in everything audiovisual rental. Check out. This is like any other company. I mean, I didn't invent this part. You must be log in. I will log in and do all that. What is Purple? I don't want to be too extensive in my presentation of the product, but basically Purple is the network for audiovisual rentals. That's it. How big is the AV industry? So you guys have an idea. It's $200 billion and it's to go to 326 billions by 2026. Our mission to give the world the best tool for AV rentals. Period. Is there a period there? Period. That's it. I'll work the rest of my life on this, listening to my clients, my people, and service. What's Purple looking to do for the end user is provide easy access to audiovisual equipment, crew, and services. We'll stay there on the first line. Don't need to read everything. What's Purple look to do for the actual service provider? Is going to be the best way for them to expose their products and services to prospects and clients. Because if you already have a client, you can just send them the link. If you have a prospect, they can shop around and compare and look at all this. And remember, there's a third party involved here, which is us, which will take care of the payment. So that will make everything so, easy going. I don't know who that person is. I don't know who that company is. Well, there's a company behind. I got your back. I'm telling you, these guys are real. And I'm telling the company, these guys are real. Everything's going to be paid. Here's your money. That's it. Let's do next show. The team is pretty small right now. I wish to get a nice big team of people, having fun and making some money and paying, and helping their families and all that. Right now, I'm the CEO. Like I mentioned, I got four friends here. I mean, they're friends. I did my first round with them. They put some money. We tried some stuff in India. We came back. We did a little bit, but in a matter of 3 months, pretty quick, boom, boom, we put all these together. I got a few professional services, Magic Commerce being the biggest help ever. I've done previous projects with them. I got one that was some houses rental in Orlando and stuff. I got another one that was like some real estate. It's been like 12 years. He was busy at the time. Now he's available, and he fell in love with the project, so he's on it. Some legal issues with grants law. CPAs with cap accounting, and Pika is one of my graphic designers. Guy from California. He's pretty good. He's badass. I like. He did the octopus and everything. The app is being developed in the USA by Magic Commerce, and we're waiting for your support. Basically it. But here says Purple will connect these two sites as Uber connects drivers, car owners, to people. Service right. This is a little thing we did in the past for this is kind of the app, how the app will look. Uh, Pretty basic. You go, you sign in, you look for things. Everybody knows that there's a bunch of pages like that. Okay, now I will go to the next one. This will be the end user. The person, which is this is what the app is must needed. Okay, so the user will go and say, "Oh, I'm in this town. I need to rent a couple of wireless microphone because there's what is called a pop-up, something pop-up. Like the client now wants a new room or something. So here's the categories. Here's all these, and now we can have this." All these things together in one place. How we supporting Purple? Well, the idea is to charge 3% of every transaction because it's a lot going to be on credit cards and stuff, and they're going to have to lose 3-4% depending on their payment method. But I go with the standard, what people are used to. And like I mentioned before, this is a middle-sized company. a small company is 1.5 million, years. That will be 15 grand. There's thousands of companies like this in the Miami area without going farther, Broward or north. It's at least 375 companies of these people who has lights, people who has gear. Security guy that went on tour and he bought 20 Motorola radios. Now he has it in his house. Guess what? He can put it on purple. And now somebody who comes into town and need 8 of those radios, they just go to purple. You go, type in, hey, could you rent me this? Yeah, I'll bring it to you. I'll send it to an Uber. You can pick it up. That's up to the service provider. What's the plan? Well, in the next 90 days, uh, to put an app together and do some beta testing, go live to the market. I want to advertise on Sweetwater.com, which is one of the biggest places where everybody goes to buy gear. Maybe one or two more there. And Infocom 2025. Yes, let's go to Orlando and do a full presentation with a full booth, with a big octopus there, something fun. I actually have two little friends here. I start collecting purple octopus. The word for octopus in Spanish, pulpo, so kind of pulpo with purple. I don't know, mixed together, and that's kind of a cool thing that happened. The seed round of what I'm doing now, I need you keep 5%, 1% of the company for 50 grand, and I'm looking to get $1 million. Okay, that's what I want. And this is John Miranda with Purple. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.